Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to check who blocked you on TikTok. Now as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now I have two TikTok accounts and I'm going to use one TikTok account to block another account, and I'm going to show you how you can exactly see who blocked you on TikTok. Right here is the TikTok account I'm going to block, and I'm blocking the TikTok account right now. So after blocking the TikTok account, it will look like that. So I'm going to log in the other TikTok account. Now, the first way to see who blocked you on TikTok is to search for that person. TikTok will not bring you their account in the user's results. When you search for that person, TikTok will not bring that person. And then the second way, if you have been chatting with the person on TikTok and then you press on chat, it will show account not found. Even on their profile, so that's how you can check. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.